CES 2020. Alright, so what is that? Head tracking or drone tracking?
What it's demonstrating there for you is the AI camera on the PowerEgg. The phone is being used as a monitor. You can just double tap on the screen to select who you want to follow and put a phone to the subject.
The AI camera on the PowerEgg.
The camera there is level. You can use it as a standalone camera, or you can use it as on the tripod.
Standalone, tripod, or on the drone.
You add the attachment, and this device right here can take the sky and fly. You can also make it completely waterproof. You can use the drone in the rain,
Like that?
in the wind, the phone. You can land it directly on the water and take off from the water.
How much? What? 100. And there it is on the case.
You did?
Oh, sorry, he's setting up for... Photographing this.
Oh.
Here's a nice picture.
Hashtag controller, you said I'm laughing out loud.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody's gonna leave it.
Yeah.
Not a lip roller?
He's saying
I do? Yeah,
there it is.
The 1/2.8 CMOS sensor video is delivered at 75 megabits per second. I'm not sure what they mean here because we always had sound cache via our remote controller.
PowerEgg, they're showing it on the water. Oh, but you can see it's wrapped up in a cage. But when you look at it, it looks like a kind of a tube body. The PowerVision, the PowerEgg, autonomous personal AI camera.
Thanks for watching the PowerEgg X Wizzard setup from CES 2020. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.